Hello friends. Today we are going to study or discuss the modern periodic table. These sentences are important for fill up. First one, modern periodic table. It was discovered by Henry Moseley. Second, it was based on atomic number because first three scientists they classify the element on the basis of atomic mass, but the scientist Henry Moseley classified the element on the basis of atomic number. So in this table, it includes 18 groups and 7 periods. And apart from this, it contains two separate rows at the base of modern periodic table, which were called as a series. Remember one thing, in Mendeleev's periodic table, there are total 8 groups and 7 periods. And in modern periodic table, there are 18 groups and 7 periods. After that, this table is also called as a long form of periodic table. The next topic important, that is what is group, what is period and what they indicate. So group number जो रहेगा, it show the number of valence electron. Group number show the number of valence electrons and period number show the total number of shells. One more thing is that what is group? Group means what? The vertical columns. The vertical columns in periodic table are called as a groups and the horizontal rows in the periodic table are called as a periods. So ये वाला statement fill up के लिए important रहेगा that group number shows the number of valence electron and period number shows the total number of shells. Let us see one example of that. Suppose sodium has atomic number 11 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. Now remember or focus on its electronic configuration. You can see that there is only one electron in its outermost shell, means there is a one valence electron, and that's why it present in first group because it contains one valence electron and the total number of shells are 3, that is 2, 8 and 1. So total number of shells are 3. So sodium present in first group and in a third period. So according to that, you can easily find the location of elements in the periodic table. The next one, that is groups in modern periodic table. Actually, there are total 18 groups in modern periodic table, but we are not going to study all these groups. We are study only 4 groups, which are that first 2 groups and last 2 groups. Okay, so out of 18 groups, only study first 2 and last 2 groups. So what is the groups? First group, that is first A, second one is second A, the second last is 7A and last one is a 8A. So the elements which are present in the first A group are called as a alkali metals. Second A, alkaline earth metal. 7A, halogen and last 8A or 0 group are called as a inert gases. So exam में आपको पूछा जाएगा the elements in 7A group are known as a dash dash. So those are a halogen. The alkaline earth metal place in a second A group. According to that, the next one, the first A group, उसका ग्रुप नंबर 1 है. इट मीन्स वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने रहेंगे 1, जो मैंने आपको पहले बोला था. ग्रुप नंबर क्या शो करेगा? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो फर्स्ट ए ग्रुप कंटेन्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, मीन्स 1 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सेकेंड ए ग्रुप 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. 7A group 7 valence electron and 8A group 8 valence electron. So by using this valence electron, we can easily find out the valency of those. So the first A group valence is 1, for second A 2, for 7A 1 because it contains 7 electron in its outermost shell. So to complete the octet, it requires 1 electron. And valency for 8A group is 0. And what are the example of that? First A group, the Doberanus first strand, that is LiNaC, that is lithium, sodium and potassium. In second A group, after lithium, next one is beryllium. After sodium, next element is magnesium. And after potassium, next one is a calcium. So the example of second A group are beryllium, magnesium and calcium. The example of 7A group halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In short, first class biryani I8, and the last one 8A group, that is helium, neon and argon. So in this way, these are the 4 main groups in the modern periodic table. Next one, the total periodic table is divided into 4 blocks, and which are that blocks? The blocks are known as a S block, P block, D block and F block. So these blocks are important and what are those? See, तो पहले हम लोग तीन ब्लॉक देखेंगे, S block, D block and P block, because F block जो भी रहेगा it is at the base of modern periodic table. That's why we are writing F block at the base of modern periodic table. So S block कहाँ पे रहेगा? It is on the left hand side, P block on the right hand side and D block at the middle of a table. So where F block कहाँ पे आएगा? It is at the base of modern periodic table. S block includes group 1 and 2, Phylip के लिए आएगा. D block contain group 3 to 12 and P block contains group 13 to 18. Remember this. S block में कौन सा ग्रुप आएगा? ग्रुप 1 and 2. D block में आएगा ग्रुप 3 to 12 and P block में आएगा ग्रुप 13 to 18. The elements which are present in S block are called as a normal elements. D block transition element because it is at the middle of modern periodic table. P block, it includes normal and inert gases. And remaining is F block, which is at the base of modern periodic table. So it includes inert transition elements. Inert transition element, and in that मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था, there are two separate rows which are called as a series. So upper series में आएंगे lanthanide and lower series में आएंगे actinide. So in this way ये वाला जो चार्ट रहेगा ये आपको एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा. And finally आपके लिए thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please comment, like and share. Thank you.